Okay guys, today I am going to be unboxing the brand new Coody Electric Air Pump from RBM Outdoors. I am so excited to have this right now. I have another air pump that I usually use with my inflatable tents, and I always tell you guys to go get it. However, the problem is it's always out of stock. People ask me if I have any other recommendations, and honestly, I do not. So I end up going and looking for them. I find ones that are too expensive, or other ones that I really cannot confirm whether they work good or not. But today we're going to open up this baby right here. We're going to try it out, and I'm going to tell you everything there is to know about it. And the best part is, if you follow my link in the comments below, you can go to the RBM website right now and get a discount on this very pump. This is exactly how this pump will arrive to your home. We've got the Coody logo on that side. You've got an actual picture of the pump on this side of the box. It's very small and lightweight. If we go ahead and open up the box right now, you can see that it comes in its own carrying bag. I love the color of this thing. It's like a military green with the Coody logo right on the front. And if I set my old pump side by side, you can already see how much smaller and more compact this one is. Now, this has been a great pump, and I'm going to keep it for a backup, but you can already see just by looking at the two of them side by side that this one is going to be much easier to pack. It's going to take up much less space. And when you're packing for camping, you need every inch you can get. Even in this giant Hummer back here, a weekend camping trip packs every inch of this vehicle. So this is going to be a big space saver. Looking more at the case, you can see we've got a little carrying handle here. We have a D-ring on each side if you want to add a shoulder strap. And then we have a zipper that goes around the perimeter of the top. If we open that, our first look inside, you can see that we have a protective flap right here that actually covers the pump. And that thing looks awesome. Look at that beautiful orange. We'll come back to that in a second, but you can see on the top here we have another zipper pouch. And if we unzip that, we have a USB power cord to recharge the pump, an instruction guide, a selection of 5 different pump nozzles, a shoulder strap that actually comes with this. So again, these D-rings on the side, you just snap that onto each side, and there you have a shoulder strap. And the last thing in this pouch here is the tube that goes from your pump to your tent. This looks to be about a 3-foot tube. We can unscrew this to open it up. That screws into itself for easy packing, and then you just unscrew it when you're ready to use it. Now, as we take out the pump, again, look at that thing. I love the color of that. We've got a carrying strap that is connected on this side here, so you can easily carry the pump. If we look at the bottom of the pump, you can see there are 4 little rubber feet. If we turn it up, you can see that we have 2 connectors on here. One is for inflate, one is for deflate. This is our recharge port right here. This little piece of rubber opens up and you connect your USB cord right in there. We've got a power button right here. This is the switching unit, which will switch between PSI, KPA, and BAR. We're going to use PSI. This button is for deflate. This button is for inflate. And the plus and minus is to change the PSI. To turn on the unit, we press the power button twice. You can see that our display comes up. We also have a battery meter over here, and I have already charged this to a full charge. You can see by the small light here that we are set to PSI. To set our PSI, we're just going to push the plus button here. You can see we're already up above 7. I want it at 7. It goes back down to 0 there until you turn on the unit. And to set this up to inflate your tent, you're simply going to turn this around. We're going to connect the tube to the inflate port. That just screws right in there. And then we choose the correct nozzle. In this case, it's going to be this one right here. And that screws onto the other side of the tube, just like that. Connect that to your tent, and then we simply press the inflate button. And you can hear it start up. Now, when this is connected to your tent, you will notice these numbers going up. They will continue to go up until they have added 7 psi of pressure to your tent. You can turn it off at any time if you want, but when it does reach the 7 psi that you set it at, it will automatically shut itself off. Now, I wanted to run through that process real quick, but now I'm going to actually hook it up to a tent and show you how quickly it can inflate it. Now, I was actually supposed to be going camping this weekend in in this beautiful snow, but the brakes went out on the Hummer. But I am not going to let that stop me from having some fun. We are going to pull out one of my favorite tents, the black Coody Koala 7 17.2 12 by 16 inflatable luxury tent from RBM Outdoors. So we've got the tent all spread out. Now we're going to grab our brand new Coody pump, connect it to the front nozzle on this tent, make sure our PSI is set to 7, hit the inflate button, and let it go. This is the largest inflatable tent offered by RBM and Coody. Now this video is sped up, but it took 5 minutes and 28 seconds for it to get fully inflated. As usual, you had to walk around and help the structure pop up into place, and then it took a few more minutes for the PSI to get up to about 5, where it actually slowed down. At that point, I walked around the tent, I felt all the tubing, and it was rock hard. So it was done, even though it didn't reach 7 PSI. I mean, look at this. You can barely even squeeze this frame right here. That is so tight. So 5 minutes total to inflate the tent, about another 2 minutes to get it up to 5 PSI, and you can see it only took 1 bar of our battery to do that. So this is an amazing little pump. I highly recommend this one. Much smaller and more compact than the other one I've been using. And when you're finished, it all packs back up nice and neat in this little carrying case. Look at this snow coming down. Coody Air Pump from RBM Outdoors. Hop on over to the website, use the link in the comments below, and you can get a discount on your very own.